In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your website into a sleek and modern dark mode theme. Dark mode has become increasingly popular, not just for its stylish look, but also for reducing eye strain and saving battery life on devices with OLED screens. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make this transition smoothly and effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to the design section of your website. This is where all the visual magic happens, allowing you to customize the aesthetic of your site to match your vision. Go ahead and select Site Styles, where you'll find a series of preset themes. Among these options, you'll see choices specifically tailored for dark mode. These themes offer a ready-made solution to give your website a sophisticated and contemporary appearance. Take a moment to explore the various dark mode themes available to you. Each option will have its own unique flair, so feel free to delve into them and see which one resonates best with your brand or personal style. While it might be tempting to rush through this step, it's worth spending some time to ensure the chosen theme aligns with the overall tone you aim to convey with your website. Once you've selected your preferred dark mode theme, it's time to fine-tune the details. This is where custom CSS comes into play. Custom Cascading Style Sheets, or CSS, allow you to adjust the elements of your theme to perfection. Not every element might seamlessly shift to dark mode on its own, so making these tweaks is crucial for ensuring a cohesive and visually pleasing website. Consider using CSS to adjust the color of text, buttons, and other interactive elements to maintain contrast and readability against the darker background. This will not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also ensure that your website remains accessible to all users. For example, changing a link color to a brighter shade can help it stand out more prominently against a dark backdrop. As you work through the custom CSS adjustments, don't hesitate to test different styles and see the effects they have on various elements of your site. It's perfectly normal to experiment with different looks until you achieve the desired outcome. This tinkering is an essential part of honing your site's appearance and functionality. In summary, transforming your website into dark mode requires selecting an appropriate theme in the Site Style section, exploring your options thoroughly to find a suitable fit, and then using custom CSS to ensure all elements look fantastic. By following these steps, you can create a stunning dark mode design that not only enhances the visual appeal, but is also comfortable for your audience to browse. Thanks for joining today, and I hope your website shines bright in its new dark mode.